Okay, there's going to be times where you cannot control drag an object on your form view into your code to do a connection or an outlet or action. So I'm going to show you here in this video how to do that. And most of those times when you can't do it is when you're remoting in with TeamViewer or some VNC app. So I have on this app a button and a label. And so I'm going to click on the button first. And what you want to do is go to the very right side of your Xcode and click on the Show Connection Inspector. And we're going to need a touch up inside is what a button action should be. And it's going to be a send event. So I'm going to take this and go to my assistant editor. And first of all, you got to click on the object you want. You would normally do a control-click drag. We're going to do it another way. I'm going to click on it, go over here and do touch up inside. Drag it over to the code, release it. And I'm going to change it from any object to button. It's going to be btn submit. Connect it. And then my label's the second one. It's going to be an outlet, reference outlet. So control click into the code. I'm going to call this one LBL display. Click connect. Go back to my standard editor. And go into the code of that view controller Swift. I'm going to go into the button submit. And just put a hello text in here for now. Go back to my main storyboard and let's run it and test it. Tap submit and there's hello. So that worked. And so to test to make sure you have it, besides running it like I did, you can also click on each object, go to the inspector for that connection, and just to double check that, yeah, this is a touch up inside. This one here is a reference outlet. You can also control click on each object to find it, what that object is. And the last way is to confirm is right click on the view itself from the outline. So I'm going to go to the view itself and right click on that. And it shows all of the connections. There's my button connection. And you notice when I hover over it, it highlights it over here. My button and there's my label. Okay, so that concludes how to drag from Connection Inspector to Assistant Editor instead of control key drag. So when you don't have the control option available, control button option, you can use this instead. Hope that helps.